In this video, let's know the unique features of all new Hyundai Verna.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Welcome back to our channel Dr. Technosaurus and if you're watching this video on Facebook, please like and follow our Facebook page. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe to our channel for more such kind of videos. This is the all new Hyundai Verna latest edition. The major change in the outlook of the car is the grille, which is wider than the older version and comes with a glossy finish. The headlights are complete LED, but the fog lamps that we get is halogen projector. The size of the tire is the same as the older generation, but we get a newly designed alloy. Here we get a fully digital instrument cluster, which also gets 4.7-inch multi-information display at the center. It's also equipped with front ventilated seats. The multimedia supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The top-end version also do get sunroof as well as the wireless charger, and also gets smart trunk feature. This car has reverse parking camera sensors and also comes with front parking sensors. The car has automatic climate control. The car is equipped with premium audio system from Archimes. It also has DRVM system, which helps us to know what's behind us without engaging the reverse gear. It also has BlueLink telematics, which comes with 45 features, including remote engine and air condition operation, voice commands and lot more. This new gen Verna is also equipped with 6 airbags. Overall, this is one of the best car in this segment. This was it for today. Thank you.